Hey, listen, I wanted to ask a couple questions about projects maybe that you have going on, things like that. I know you have some major projects. Last year, you told me of a few of them, and we talked about them. But what are some of the big projects that you're focusing on this year being made available to people in the industry?
Sure. So the biggest thing that we have is right behind us here is the freighter. This is our Embraer 190, 195 conversion. We are capturing a market that has a gap in it right now. Is between the turboprop and the mainline aircraft. Is we're capturing that market. And this conversion process is starting in Brazil. We opened up a new facility in San Jose dos Campos, Brazil, to do this conversion. The first aircraft is there. We're hoping to fly by the end of the year and have certification the following year.
Fantastic. So, I know that market continued to grow over the last couple of years, and there was just a shortage of aircraft. And so, the idea of engaging and doing it and making those kind of, aircraft available, I think is just really good. And I'm glad to see you have people now jumping into that. And if somebody wanted to get a hold of you, to be able to find out about how do we look at the, the cargo program or the conversion or whatever, how do they do that? What's the best?
Well, the best way to do it is right through our website. Is www.embraer.com.
Okay.
And you can research on there, and we'll get the information to you. We also have several people throughout the world. If you're in the Embraer family or you want to be part of it, you can always reach out to any one of us on the leadership team. We have dedicated customer resource people throughout the world. We always like to say that we're a global company, a combination of global and local, because we put people right where you live in order to provide you that resource.
Yeah. Well, one thing I have to say is that I'm just always very impressed with the relationships. When you meet people and you talk to people, at Embraer, they just work really hard to be able to engage with you and to be able to have conversations and help you to figure out how to solve your problems and what you're doing.